How you going, everyone? Welcome back for another episode 26, or day 26. So, which is going to get awkward next month when I start having to actually work out what the day is, because I can't just look at the calendar. It's January. A bit of breaking news. The Dell that I did the other day, the refurbished one, it's failed. So I did there was a faulty USB port. I fixed that, and since then I did some updates after that, because it all loaded up fine and it was going well. So I thought, I'll do the USB port, it's worth fixing. And then I was going to price up a keyboard for it. So I haven't priced up a keyboard yet. I'm just on eBay at the moment, and $40 for a keyboard. And I thought, well, if I have to put a keyboard in it, and then by the time I've done everything, probably owe me about $70. Not including any labor, and the USB port came off another laptop, so another dead laptop, so that's all right. But the problem I had was then it started dropping the Wi-Fi. It started boot looping, as in when I was doing updates, it would just go into the spinny wheel on the black screen and not go anywhere. Which I think all this is related to Windows 11. I honestly think that Windows 11 is getting to the point where they really are locking out those older machines. I've got nothing to prove it. If somebody else knows, and please put it in the comments. Put Ubuntu on, and I didn't put Ubuntu. I put Mint on, put Linux Mint on, and it runs Mint. It really does. Wi-Fi works. It reboots. It does everything it needs to do. I've been on Chrome, no problem at all. So moving forward, I think anything below 6th gen, I'm not going to bother trying to put Windows 11 on. I think it's over for it, unfortunately. Even realistically, 8th gen, which is what their requirement is, 8th gen, as well as you have to have TPM and secure boot as well. So if you haven't got those, it shouldn't work as well. But I think most of the stuff from 8th gen has it, but don't quote me. Until you test it, it's hard to know. In regards to that laptop, I think I'm just gonna, I'm gonna down the RAM to 4 gig, and I think I'm just gonna put a spinny drive in it, just a small one, or maybe even put a small 128 in it, and then either chuck Windows 10 back on, or maybe chuck Mint on it, and then just chuck it on eBay cheap. I'll get me $80 back. Not that it owes me $80, but I'll get $80 on it anyway. There's nothing in it that owes me any money. It was all in a pile of stuff, so virtually free. Because overall, with Mint on it, maybe I should just chuck it on there as it is with the 256 and the 8 gig and Mint. Chuck it on there. Just say, I could even get a keyboard. $40. I'll have a think about it. I might play with it for a while, keep it here for a couple of weeks and just try it out, see what it does. I've got some other stuff I need to use laptops and PCs for, so I could test it out, and we'll see how we go. If it's any good, I might even leave it the way it is, put a keyboard in it and chuck it on eBay as a Linux machine, and you never know. Might get some interest out of it. Who knows? I don't know how popular Linux is. I watched a program the other day and they reckon it's really popular. Like, it's actually starting to overtake Windows. I don't know if that's true or not. I'll chuck the video up. You guys can watch it and decide for yourself. So, the big thing for today, JFIXX. Thank you, sir. Thank you. I think I got an extra 40 subscribers in the end, which is great. Welcome, everybody. I hope you enjoy what we're doing here. I'm trying to make it interesting. I'm trying to make something that's not interesting to a lot of people interesting, because buying and selling tech, a lot of people think they have to be a technician to do this, but you don't. You really don't. You can actually learn it with YouTube and that, and some of the other channels that JFIXX put up on that video. You can go to those channels and really learn. I learned everything I learned, or most of what I learned from watching YouTube videos. Not everything, but because there wasn't a lot of stuff when I started doing board work, but a lot of the stuff I've learned has been from there. So if you want to get into this, and you don't have to be young, but the younger the better, as things are. When you're trying to learn stuff, it is easier when you're younger. Ask me how I know. You can see the white of the beard. But by all means, it's great to be able to just learn bits and pieces. And the way I'm trying to put my channel is that you can have a hobby like this, play with stuff, get stuff going, or part it out, and it can fund itself. It's not like you have to go out and spend $1,000 a month buying stuff, and then it ends up, that's it, it goes in the bin, and you never get to recoup any of your money back. The idea of this channel is that you can recoup your money from the stuff you're playing with, the projects you're doing. Yes, you can spend it and waste it by all means. There's lots of stuff you can buy and you'll never get your money back. But if you want to do stuff that you can get your money back, watch my channel. Learn. Like I said the other night, you can sell hard drives for $40, $50, up to $100 really. Second-hand hard drives, that is. RAM, you can sell 8 gig sticks for $40. You can sell the LCDs. I haven't even gone into the parts on the laptops. I will at some point pull a laptop apart and show you how many parts can come out of a laptop, and you'd be shocked. You'd probably just want to sell parts out of laptops from that point on. But at the end of the day, I think it's a great hobby and it's a bit of fun. Just don't tell friends and family, because they'll all want you to fix their stuff. That was a joke. You can laugh. For you people out there know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. But I've already had, since I've set up the room, I've already had 5 friends go, hey, look, I need a phone fixed. Oh, I need a laptop fixed, blah, 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 blah. So I'm like, all right, fine, bring it down, we'll fix it. So but you're paying for parts. I'm not buying $400 screens for Samsungs out of my own pocket. You can buy the part. So I digress. Thank you, JFIXX. Thank you, everybody, for coming and joining us, and everybody that had subscribed outside of there, or just found us, like people that have come from other places. Thank you as well. I hope you're enjoying the content. Give me your feedback. Chuck a comment up. Tell me what you think. And look, if you have criticisms, please criticize. If you be nice about it, but criticize. And then obviously between each other, keep it nice. And then if you've got any ideas that you think would be great for the channel, let me know. And if you're just a little bit shy or just don't really want to be public about it, my email address is there. Just send me an email, send me a direct message. I'm happy to discuss anything you guys want to discuss, guys, girls, or anyone else. So yeah, it's open slather here. I don't care. I just want to have fun with this. I really do. I'm having fun with it. It's doing a video every day is going to be tiring, considering we're only 26 days in. I've still got 330 something to go. It's I'm trying to do them in the morning, but the morning is my busiest part. So, but we will get there. Onwards and upwards, said a great man. Buzz Lightyear? Did he say that? No, to the moon. Something like that. Anyway, it's been great. Have a great night. Have a great morning. See you all tomorrow. Bye-bye.